Are you on the lookout for strategies to enhance your investment game, as well as boost your earning potential in the crypto world? Altcoins are more than just digital currencies. They're the key to diversifying your portfolio and potentially skyrocketing your returns. Unlike the usual crypto giants, these emerging stars are riding on groundbreaking technologies, offering a fresh avenue for savvy investors like you. Imagine if you'd invested in Ethereum in its early days. That's the kind of golden opportunity altcoins are presenting right now. Welcome to Crypto Bookworm, your go-to channel for easy-to-grasp crypto education. My goal is to break down the complexities of the digital asset world into bite-sized animated lessons. I believe crypto is the future of finance, and I want to help you make sense of it all. So let's get right to it. First off, what's an altcoin? There's no argument that the crypto universe is dominated by giants like Bitcoin and Ethereum. However, altcoins use proof of stake, or POS, and masternode code created from the existing technologies of the bigger boys in the crypto world. POS works almost the same way as providing collateral for a loan from a local bank. It protects users from fraud, as some of the crypto has to be staked in order to validate a transaction. Altcoin masternode makes sure your coin staking and transaction verifications are secure on the blockchain. A masternode monitors the validation of all transactions carried out with its copy of the blockchain. It also sends the details of every transaction through its encryption. Altcoins make use of the Block Explorer and DNS seeder server to provide a reward structure. Now, I'm aware that you're concerned about knowing the right coins to put your money into. Well, I had the same concern last year in 2023, as it was tedious figuring out the winning altcoins with the tons of information on all the coins out there. But not to worry, I will provide for you what I wish I had. First on the list is the BTC ETF Token. The Bitcoin ETF-related coin was developed to reward members of the Bitcoin community as the BTC ETF project began progression towards approval. At the time of the recording of this video, you can get this altcoin for 0.0058 USD. After purchasing the coin, you can generate passive income and an annual yield percentage of up to 138% by staking your coins on the BTC ETF website. The Bitcoin ETF coin has set milestones for itself ahead of its launch. The project makes use of a deflationary mechanism and a dynamic tax reduction system, which are key in the project's approval progress. The plan is that for every milestone achieved, the coin burns 5% of its total supply and 1% of its transaction tax. The BTC ETF has 5 milestones that will determine if 25% of the coin's total supply will be burnt. First, the token must surpass $100 million in trading volume. Second, it must get its first Bitcoin ETF approval from the SEC. The third milestone is the official launch of the first Bitcoin ETF. Fourth, the Bitcoin ETF asset has to cross $1 billion. And then finally, it must close above the $100 million mark. This partnership with the Bitcoin ETF project has cemented its position as a promising investment for aspiring crypto merchants. Also, the coin has kicked off quite well as its pre-sale has raised over $1.5 million. Following closely behind the Bitcoin ETF coin is Bitcoin Minetrix. I think we can all agree that Bitcoin has been sitting on top of the totem pole of cryptocurrency since its launch. So it's no surprise that the general consensus is that renewed desire to mine Bitcoin will overtake the cryptoverse. However, this is the strength of BTC MTX. The coin leverages on this recent hunger for Bitcoin. Bitcoin Minetrix provides holders with cloud mining power through its innovative stake-to-mine mechanism. People will be able to mine Bitcoin without the usual expensive hardware and sophisticated technical expertise. The project provides individuals with a transparent and decentralized cloud mining experience. Okay, so have I given you a tech jargon overload? Don't worry, I'll break it down. This is how Bitcoin Minetrix works. After buying the tokens, you can stake them to earn non-tradable ERC tokens. These tokens have cloud mining benefits, allowing you to burn them to get Bitcoin cloud mining power. Also, there's no need for middlemen on this project. The coin provides direct access to this cloud mining power. Once you've started mining, you can generate an annual percentage yield of about 133%. While diversifying your portfolio, you can also simultaneously feel good about contributing positively to society. That's because the algorithms used by the system are energy efficient, and they reduce the chances of environmental hazards. Bitcoin Minetrix has a big chance of becoming a leading cryptocurrency in the near future, as it has already generated over $4.4 million. Third on our list is Solana. This altcoin is pretty widely considered to be a rational investment for 2024. Solana has been part of the crypto world for a while, and it's had a good run so far. In 2021, it saw a massive surge which drew the attention of investors worldwide by going from $50 to a whopping $250. Now, don't worry, I didn't forget that I mentioned helping you profit. Even though Solana has dropped significantly in the recent bear market, investors still have their eyes on the coin. It maintains a firm position in the crypto world, with great potential to remain a top cryptocurrency. Solana is quite different from other altcoins. It's a blockchain platform that gives the opportunity to process a huge amount of transactions in a very short time, and for a low fee. Solana achieves this with its fully decentralized app, Solana Pay. This app serves as a platform for encouraging crypto adoption and the creation of apps in the decentralized finance sector. Also, Solana's reputation has caught the attention of Visa, a finance giant. Recently, the company announced its intention to use the Solana blockchain for its USDC payments, so it really seems like Solana isn't going away anytime soon. Another promising altcoin is T.G Casino. This is a gem from the crypto gaming world, which has been doing quite well with no signs of slowing down in 2024. So it is advisable to jump into this burgeoning sector early. Although one probably wouldn't want to do this without a proper understanding of the coin. So let's talk about that. T.G Casino is a licensed gaming platform that allows users to make use of its native token, TGC, to stake yields and have exclusive access to games. It's very convenient to use as it can be accessed directly from Telegram. This is good news if you don't like being stressed by KYC procedures and government ID verification. You can buy the tokens on pre-sale for as low as 0.165 USD each. Also, users who purchase over $5,000 worth of tokens have access to NFTs and post-launch rewards. TG Casino has an interesting revenue sharing method. It generates a total supply of $100 million in tokens. However, that is speculated to reduce over time. The profits generated from the game are used to buy back TGC tokens from the open market. Only 60% will be distributed as reward tokens among players, while the remaining 40% will be burned. So, which altcoin are you thinking about investing in? I'm really curious to know your take on the potential of the ones I've talked about, as well as any others, so drop your thoughts in the comments below. I hope I've helped shed some light on this overwhelming topic. If you did find it helpful, a thumbs up and subscribing is always appreciated. Also, have you ever wondered how to dive into the world of crypto with just $100? If so, check out my previous video.